Oh, you know what? Poke around all you want, asshole!
AJ,
I got this shit all tied up! Do your work!
I am so sick and tired of all you sheeple not being sick and tired enough to get off your... Sick and tired. Sick and tired. Best way to avoid data corruption when using parallel SSD. Corruption.
The protest going on at the Great American Mall in downtown for Flint, Michigan for that dirty water that went on. So I'm going to pack up all my stuff, go downtown to the mall and have some fun. Go downtown to the mall and have some fun.
The beautiful Second Amendment that is keeping it legal to have a storehouse of assault weapons and explosives. Weapons and explosives.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
I am sick and tired of all the corruption.
Sir, is this a real emergency?
I'm going to pack up all my
Assault weapons and explosives.
go downtown to the mall and have some fun.
Sir, can you tell me your name?
Jeffcock is a family name.
They made that call 10 minutes ago. AJ, you need to go.
No, Hey, AJ, just get on the ground right now,
AJ,
all right?
get on the damn ground!
AJ, get on the ground!
Get on the ground now,
Wait, what's this on the screen right here? What's on the screen? It's AJ's desktop.
What is...
They're AJ's computer. They're uploading something.
Get on the ground!
Open the door or we'll break it down!
Sit down!
Oh my god.
Open the door!
No, AJ! No! Stay on the ground!
AJ!
No, AJ! No, stay!
No! AJ! No! AJ!
No! You're good!
Suspect down.